Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your image or creating a new file so you can act immediately. Once done, set the canvas size from home, right arrow resize, pick pixels or percentage and lock aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Make sure to zoom to 100% for accurate detail, then use the zoom tool for fine work. Save an initial copy with Save As to preserve the original, and select a simple color palette from the Colors area so you can move straight into editing. Now focus on the middle steps. Choose the brush or pencil to draw and adjust size for precision. Click Color 1/Color 2 to switch foreground and background quickly. Use the rectangle or freeform selection to isolate an area, then crop to remove unused space. Transparent selection lets you move pieces without a white box. Use the Fill tool to block in color, the eraser to clean edges, and the color picker to match tones exactly. Keep saving versions so you can revert if needed. Finish by resizing or rotating for the final output, and check resolution if you plan to print or share online. Once satisfied, save as PNG to keep transparency or JPEG for smaller file size. Make sure to inspect edges at 100% and touch up stray pixels with the pencil or eraser. If tools behave oddly, undo back several steps, revert to your saved copy, or restart Paint to clear temporary glitches. This usually fixes brush lag or selection errors, so you can
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.